welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be upcycling Dettol bottles. So let's get started. So here are my Dettol bottles. One is a little bit bigger than the other one, but that's fine. So first I will just remove the label and make it clean. Today we'll be using the Fevicryl molded clay, which is of 20 rupees. So let me just quickly mix both of these components together. And to prevent the clay from sticking on your hands, you can use baby powder. So we'll be using white glue to stick the clay onto the bottle. If you don't use glue, then it might not stay, it will come off very easily. So here first we're making the nose, and then we'll make the eyebrows, here I'm making the lips. If you don't have this tool, then that's completely fine. You can use the back of your paintbrush as well. Before sticking the lips, we'll also make a nose ring, since this is the lady. Now I'll roll some clay like this, and then we'll stick it at the top. So this is the hair. Now we'll make the eyes. Now by using this tool, if you don't have this tool, that's completely fine. As I already said, you can use the back side of your paintbrush. Here I'm making some dots, and this here we are putting one ornament like this on the hair. Now we're going to do the male or the man. So for that, again I'll just mix these both components together nicely, and we'll begin with the nose. So the process is similar for this one as well. It's just that we will be adding the moustache instead of the nose ring. On the moustache, you can make lines using a toothpick or any stick. And now we'll let these dry completely. So now they have hardened nicely, and now we're going to apply gesso on it. Here I'm making homemade gesso, which is basically by mixing baby powder, glue, white acrylic color and water. This is how the consistency should be like, and now we'll apply it. So now I'll quickly finish this, and yes, now the gesso is dried completely. So now let us begin painting. For the lady, I am taking orange and yellow color as the background or the face color. Inside will be light and outside will be darker, so you have to blend it nicely. And also we'll apply the darker color at the back. We'll let the lady dry, and in the meantime we'll do the man. So for the man, I am using blue and white color. This blue I have mixed a little bit of white in it. And the process is same for this as well. So yes, now the lady is dry. So now I am painting its hair in black. I'll also paint its eyebrows and eyes in black. In the inner portion of the eye, I'm just putting a little bit of white, and in the time when it's drying, I'll paint the lips. For the lips, I'm using pink 18 color. Here I mix some pink 18 and yellow together, and I'm painting the ornaments with this color. And the dots which I have made, inside that I'm putting pink 18 color. You can also use red. Now I'll paint the eyeballs, and I'll also paint a little bindi using red color. And yes, the lady is done. Now we'll do the males. For the male, the process is same. We just need to apply black on the eyebrows, the eyes and the moustache, and apply white inside the eyes. Here I've used red for the lips. And this is the turban or the pagdi green. We'll paint the eyeballs and we'll make a little tika using red. Now by using pink 18 color, I am making a few dots on the pagdi. And yes, once that's done, it's ready. So this is how the final product looks like. That is it for this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.